Na-experience mo na ba na pagkagising mo, super heavy ng pakiramdam mo, feeling mo hindi ka motivated, cranky ka, mood swings every single day, pero kumpleto naman yung tulog mo, 8 hours, minsan 9 hours pa nga. Ganun ako before, almost every day. Pero ang ginawa ko, tinry ko yung journaling. Kasi if you're experiencing something like that, maybe it's mental fatigue. So, kailangan nating mag-create ng space para i-let go natin yung whatever is on our mind. So, just get a pen and a paper and do brain dump. Write whatever you want. Kasi minsan, di ba, pagising mo, you feel heavy, maybe you're angry, or you feel sad na hindi mo ma-pinpoint kung bakit, hindi mo ma-process kung bakit. So, just write, and by writing or through writing, unti-unti mong mapaprocess yung emotion mo, unti-unti kang kakalma. Unti-unti mong malalet go yung mga thoughts na nasa utak mo na hindi mo alam kung paano sila kontrolin. And it's really magic. So, good habit siya na you practice every single day or every time na you feel na merong intense emotion kang hindi mo kayang i-manage or hindi mo kayang ma-pinpoint. I hope matry mo siya sometime kasi super naka-help siya sa akin. I'll see you tomorrow.